Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save files to Google Drive, whether you're backing up important documents or sharing them with others. So, let's get into it. First, go to drive.google.com in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, make sure to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're in, click the plus new button on the left hand side and select File Upload in the drop down menu. Now, navigate through your computer files to find the file or files you want to upload. You can upload multiple files by selecting them all at once, using Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac. Once selected, click Open to upload them. To keep things organized, you can create folders by clicking plus new, then folder. Name your folder according to the contents, like work documents or family photos. Drag and drop your files into these folders to keep your drive neat and easy to navigate. Once your files are uploaded, you can access them from any device with internet access by logging into your Google Drive. This makes it convenient to work on files from multiple locations without needing to transfer them manually. And that's it. That's how you save and organize files in Google Drive. It's an efficient way to store important documents in the cloud and access them anytime, anywhere. In case you have any more questions, you can feel free to ask them in the comment section in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this was helpful, and see you again in the next tutorial.